Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Looking for a powerful and compact cooking solution? Our double induction cooktop features 2 burners and runs on 110 volts, making it perfect for any kitchen. With a 12-inch design, it's both portable and built-in compatible. Enjoy 9 power levels for precise heat control, whether you're simmering or searing. Just plug it in and experience fast, efficient cooking anywhere. Upgrade your kitchen with the Sweet Alice Rechargeable Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set. No batteries needed. Featuring a gravity-sensing switch, it automatically grinds with just a tilt. The built-in LED light ensures precision, even in low light. Designed for one-hand operation, it's effortless and convenient. With a sleek black design and a 2-pack set, it's perfect for any modern kitchen. Recharge, grind, and enjoy fresh seasoning anytime. Experience 9-in-1 functionality with this all-in-one cooker. Pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, and more. The easy-release steam switch makes venting stress-free, while the real-time progress bar keeps you informed. With 15 one-touch smart programs, you can cook everything from ribs to yogurt effortlessly. The food-grade stainless steel pot ensures even cooking with an anti-spin design for perfect sautéing. Cook 70% faster or go low and slow, your choice. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with fingerprint-resistant stainless steel and dishwasher-safe parts. Make fresh homemade pasta effortlessly with this superior built-in motor pasta maker. No external motor required. The 135-watt motor ensures stable, quiet operation for up to an hour, with a heat dissipation system to prevent overheating. Featuring a 9-level adjustable roller and 2 blade widths, you can create perfect spaghetti, fettuccine, and more. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, it's durable, easy to clean, and compact for any kitchen. Customize your pasta with gluten-free or vegetable-infused dough for a healthier meal. Enjoy delicious hand-rolled pasta anytime with family and friends. The Wanjoin High-Efficiency Commercial. Water heater delivers continuous hot water, perfect for busy environments. With a 2.5-gallon tank, it dispenses up to 84 cups per hour at adjustable temperatures for tea, coffee, and more. A user-friendly digital display ensures easy operation, while the 304 stainless steel build offers durability and safety. Plus, the dry boil protection automatically cuts power when empty, keeping your business running smoothly. Make perfect eggs every time with the Evolup multifunctional egg cooker. Ideal for busy mornings and special occasions. Cook up to 6 eggs at once, choosing soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness with ease. Compact and space-saving, it's perfect for dorms, camping, and kitchens of any size. The Ready buzzer alerts you when your eggs are done, while detachable parts make cleanup a breeze. Includes poaching trays, an omelet tray, an egg holder, and a measuring cup for versatile cooking. Enjoy effortless, delicious eggs with one-touch convenience. The commercial food chopper is built for efficiency with a cast aluminum body, alloy steel blades, and a stainless steel cutter plate for durability. Powered by a 200-watt pure copper motor, it runs quietly and works up to 2 hours non-stop. With adjustable blades, it slices, dices, and juliennes with precision. Safety clips, hidden blades, and a waterproof switch ensure injury-free operation, making it perfect for restaurants, hotels, and home kitchens. The Huanyu 2800-watt electric meat grinder is a powerful, heavy-duty machine perfect for home and commercial use. It comes with 5 stainless steel blades, a French fry blade, 3 sausage stuffers, and cubic kits for versatile grinding and shredding. Built for efficiency and durability, it's your go-to tool for meat processing and vegetable shredding with ease. The Chefman Panini Press Grill and Gourmet Sandwich Maker offers non-stick coated plates for easy cooking and cleanup. With a 180-degree opening, it fits any type or size of food, making it versatile for sandwiches, grilling, and more. The stainless steel surface adds durability, while the removable drip tray makes cleaning a breeze. Perfect for making up to 4 slices of your favorite paninis or sandwiches. The Ultra Blade PRO Auto Stop Can Opener is the perfect kitchen tool for seniors with arthritis or anyone seeking a hassle-free can opening experience. This rechargeable electric can opener features one-touch operation and a side-cutting design, creating smooth, safe edges every time. Its hands-free functionality and compact, wall-mounted size save space while making it easy to use. With its sleek black design, this opener adds both style and convenience to any kitchen. The Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1 air fryer oven is the perfect solution for busy families, offering versatile cooking options with 12 presets and a digital timer. This family-sized countertop convection oven combines air frying, baking, roasting, and more to make meal prep quick and easy. The touchscreen control ensures effortless operation, while the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. With its spacious capacity, this oven is perfect for making delicious meals for the whole family. The Nifogo electric lunchbox is the perfect solution for enjoying hot meals on the go. With 3-in-1 heating options, 110 volts, 12 volts, 24 volts, it's ideal for work, travel, or long commutes. The 1.8-liter removable stainless steel container keeps your food fresh and warm, while the portable design and included bag make it easy to carry anywhere. With 80-watt power, it heats your meal quickly and efficiently, giving you a hassle-free lunch experience, whether at the office or on the road. The magnetic knife block is a stylish and practical solution for your kitchen, featuring a double-sided magnetic holder for easy access and organization. Made from acacia wood, this 14 by 10-inch rack adds elegance while keeping your knives secure. It also includes a built-in knife sharpener for maintaining your blades, making it the perfect addition to any kitchen countertop. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.